Today in my regenerative garden, I'm planting lettuce, and I want to show you how I did this. I started these inside under my grow lights, and each plant goes in next to last year's plants. I leave the roots in the ground. This is my last year's tomato plant, one of them, and all of this around here is free mulch. That was the tomato plant that dried up on this cattle panel, and I crumple it up in the spring after all frost risk is gone, and that's my mulch. And here's my lettuce plants. This is how I do my entire garden. And this plant root will feed the microbes in the soil who feed this year's crops. That's how it works. Regenerative gardening. No fertilizer necessary. It's natural fertilizer. The roots of last year's plants. Harvesting some lettuce. Garden salad tonight. It's a great time of year to go plant-based. Get yourself and your family on a protective diet. Pita on the grill. I have this unbelievably fresh picked garden lettuce. I gave it a bath in my salad spinner. Endive and red romaine, green leaf, and puff the pitas. They're on the ready. I'm going to cut them in half and stuff them with this quick mix tzatziki sauce dressed green salad from the garden. And that is dinner. Dessert is apricots, peaches, cherries, grapes. You know, 'tis the season. Okay, there's that salad all dressed with the quick mix tzatziki and stuffed inside my fresh puffed pita bread on the grill. And then I forgot, I have protective hummus in the fridge, and of course my pink probiotic pickled onions, and my fermented hot sauce to spice it up. Now it's complete. We've got the hummus, the probiotic pickled onions, and the hot sauce. Take care and best of health.